Feeling overwhelmed by bills, drowning in debt? The constant financial pressure can make you feel like a hamster on a wheel. But what if there was a way to take control, to plan for the future with peace of mind? The answer might surprise you. It comes from a furry little friend who thrives in the natural world, the resourceful squirrel. These clever creatures are financial planning masters, and today, at Nature's Academy, we're going to learn their secret. As autumn approaches, squirrels know a harsh winter lies ahead. Food will be scarce, so they get busy, not just gathering snacks, but strategically stockpiling for the future. They're like tiny financial advisors, reminding us of the first key to budgeting success: consistency. Squirrels don't wait until winter to scramble for food. They gather a little bit each day, building their reserves steadily throughout the warmer months. Just like that, we need to develop the habit of saving consistently, even if it's a small amount each paycheck. Putting money aside regularly is crucial. Remember, every acorn counts. Next, let's look at squirrel priorities. They're not wasting valuable energy on every scrap they find. Their focus is laser sharp on gathering those nutritious nuts that will sustain them through the long, cold winter. When it comes to budgeting, we need to adopt the same focused approach. What are your financial goals? Is it building an emergency fund, saving for a dream vacation? Once you identify your goals, you can prioritize your spending. Do you really need that expensive coffee every day? Or could that money be better spent building your financial security? Finally, let's talk about strategic storage. Squirrels don't just leave their precious nuts lying around. They meticulously bury them in hidden locations, protecting them from hungry birds and other predators. In our world, this translates to creating a buffer for unexpected expenses. Life throws curveballs, car repairs, sudden medical bills. An emergency fund is your buried treasure, a safety net to catch you in case you fall on hard times. Consider dividing your savings into different accounts, each with a specific purpose. By following the squirrel's budgeting strategy, we can build a secure financial future. Set aside some money regularly, prioritize your financial goals, and create an emergency fund. Remember, even small deposits can grow into a substantial stash, just like a squirrel's collection of nuts. So, take a deep breath and learn from the wisdom of nature. By adopting the squirrel's financial mindset, you can create a sense of calm and control, and face the future with confidence. Thanks for joining us at Nature's Academy. We'll see you next time for another wild financial lesson. Remember, the natural world is full of incredible teachers. All you have to do is open your eyes and learn.